Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint hair oil. First, gather your fresh mint leaves and a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. You'll also need a clean glass jar, a fine mesh strainer, and a dark glass bottle for storage. This process is simple and yields a wonderful product for your hair care routine. Let's get started with the ingredients you'll need to prepare. To begin, select about 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, ensuring they are thoroughly washed and dried. Next, choose a high-quality carrier oil. Options include 1/4 cup of jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, or olive oil. These oils provide a nourishing base for your hair. You'll also need a clean, heat-safe glass jar and a small saucepan for the infusion process. Make sure all your tools are ready before proceeding. Now, let's infuse the oil. Roughly chop your clean mint leaves and place them into the glass jar. Pour your chosen carrier oil over the mint, ensuring the leaves are fully submerged. Create a double boiler by placing the jar in a saucepan with about 2 inches of water. Gently heat on low for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the mint's beneficial properties to infuse into the oil. Do not boil the oil directly. After infusion, let the oil cool completely. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean, dark glass bottle. This removes all the mint leaf particles. Store your homemade mint hair oil in a cool, dark place for up to 6 months. To use, massage a small amount, perhaps 1 to 2 teaspoons, into your scalp and hair, leaving it on for at least 30 minutes before washing. Enjoy the refreshing benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.